Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica. First, focus on surviving the initial crash by gathering resources in the safe shallows. You'll need to craft a scanner to discover new blueprints and a knife for defense and resource collection. Don't forget to upgrade your oxygen tank for longer dives. Repairing your LifePod's radio is crucial, as it provides vital distress signals and coordinates, guiding your early exploration and advancing the main story. Once you have basic tools, prioritize building a Seamoth. This submersible greatly expands your exploration range and speed. Remember to upgrade its depth module to reach deeper biomass, up to 900 meters. Next, set up a small, functional base with a fabricator and plenty of storage. Finally, brave the Aurora wreckage. It holds critical blueprints and story clues, but be prepared for hazards and radiation. As you venture deeper, the Cyclops submarine becomes indispensable for long-range, deep-sea expeditions. It acts as a mobile base, allowing you to carry more resources and vehicles. Your next major goal is to find the alien containment facility and the disease research facility, which are key to understanding the planet's infection. Ultimately, you'll need to locate the primary containment facility to find a cure and escape the planet. Your final objective is to construct the Neptune escape rocket. This requires gathering a significant amount of rare materials from the deepest parts of the ocean. Before you can launch, you must deactivate the quarantine enforcement platform, which prevents any infected life forms from leaving the planet. This involves a final, challenging journey. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other fantastic deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.